You can start.
From my I start talking.
Yes, you can start.
From my form, I'd like to do business management, and I'd like to request you to support.
Okay.
So I think even from November, you can call me so that we work with you at the same place. I help you for some time. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe you can still say your name.
I'm Bernardino Kaka.
Bernard Otieno.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And what are you good in at school?
I'm good in physics, business, and mathematics.
Physics,
Business
business,
and
mathematics.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And do you like it here?
But
Do you like it? The
yes,
school?
I like it.
Okay. We just heard you're really good in all the subjects.
Almost
That's
all
what
of
the
them.
principal said.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And you just told me that you were the best boy in this year.
Yes.
Is that true?
Yes. Okay. And you're in the 4th year now, eh?
Yes.
So you're finishing high school.
In November this year.
In November you finish high school.
Yes.
Okay. It's very nice. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.